كلنا سلمان كلنا محمد كلنا سلمان كلنا محمد يا بلاد البلاد المجد كله في ظلال الحكم والشرع مله كل سيف على البغي نسله عاش سلمان ومحمد عضيده عاش سلمان ومحمد عضيده كلنا سلمان كلنا محمد كلنا سلمان كلنا محمد دم سلمان متعلي سماها نزرعت غبها وندوق ماها بالحرام والكرم ربي حماها عاش سلمان ومحمد عضيده.
So anyways guys, today I'm going to be showing you the mega food eaties. So we got like the cheesy puffs here, we got this like the puff pastry inside, we got some of the cheese, some of that white cheese. Then after that we got some of that chicken tikka masala with that some of that Indian chicken. That shit is bomb. After that we got some of that rice with that cilantro, bro. This rice is amazing. And then we got the focaccia, the Italian bread with the cheese and the olives and the tomatoes. Got a lot of olive oil on it.
Things finna get funky now, bruh. We got a portion right here. This is gonna be extremely tasty. Better than any fast food out in the world. This is like Dubai serving. Jesus. Oh my god.
So what is Dubai?
Let's get funky.
Hi, I'm the Chinese brother, Yazan, and I'm gonna do the food review on Yazan Lasmi's mother's food. So the food was great, man. The Indian theme, you know, I loved it, and the cheese bread, the olive things, bro, it was great. It was lovely. It felt like I was in paradise. But not like in the Israel paradise, but like, you know what I mean. Paradise, bro. Shit, that was great. Hi, boys. Currently taking a dookie. But anyways, so food review. First of all, I loved the olive oil bread. The Italiano bread, delicious. My personal favorite thing. Because I love olives, I love bread, and I love sun-dried tomatoes with olive oil. And that combination was perfect. It was fatty, it was oily, it was good. It was really fucking good. Second thing, the cheese samosas. Delicious. Puffy pastry with cheese inside. What more could you ask for? Delicioso. It was delicious. Now, second thing, we had the rice with the chicken tikka masala. For that thing, I usually, at my house we have it a little bit different, but it was a nice spin on it. We usually don't have it as traditional as they have it. They have it more saucy, you could say. But it was good. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the basmati rice, I think it was, with the chicken tikka, and with everything, it was delicious. And of course, you gotta have the Pepsi on the side, which just made everything better. And of course, the conversations with everybody just made it a whole lot better. This has been my review on Yazan's mother's food. Stay tuned for more.
Yazan's mother's food review. Let's go. I'ma need to start off with the puff pastry. Obviously that's the banger, but I'ma smash that all day around. After that, we got the chicken masala. Well, I'ma need to respect that, but a little bit saucy to me, like Daku Talani said. Anyways, the rice, it's the bomb. It's the bomb. The celery or whatever the green stuff was on, banger stuff, you know. Anyways, last but not least, the Italian bread. Who doesn't like Italian stuff, man? That's culture, basically. And obviously, the Pepsi Max. I'm sure. Yeah, I like that. It was very, very nice and fizzy. And me like that fizzy Pepsi. And well, for the last thing I got to say, thank you Yazan's mother for allowing us eating your food. Wahriyat Allah, I'm thankful actually, even if I type some funny stuff in the editing right there. But yeah, thank you for the food. And guys, maybe part 2 if you like this video. Goodbye.